trained to cut, right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, that's too obvious. But I'm actually good at cutting. I make croissants.
Yeah, of course.
No. Chocolate bar, choosing. Okay. Just gonna open this a little bit more wide. Okay, there we go. Wait, how many steps in a row? We're already halfway through.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, guys, after we roll this like into like those kind of shapes, then put it in that and it's done.
Maybe you need a bake.
Yeah, you need to heat them up.
Mm-hmm.
Of course you have to do. Okay, now let's see the instruction.
Oh la la, so lovely.
Okay, guys, I think this is how you roll.
Yeah, can I see?
Okay, guys, put them like this.
Okay.
Put them like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh my god. You can try making them by yourself. Okay. You can start some Jus Rol Pain. Okay, like just to like. Okay, Mom. Okay, you can type on the description. You can type what the name of the thing to get the thing. If you wanna cook, just to type in the comments. Then we'll send it on the description so you can see like where we found it.
Yeah, of course. Just we can take a photo.
I know. Don't put them too close because they might be fusing into one. Like send them loose for like 3 centimeters because they will get bigger. Hey guys, we finally finished the baking the things. Now we need to preheat the oven for 5 minutes. Then we need to put this in for 12 minutes and wait until it's golden brown.